If you're confused with the range of meters and can't quite work out what one's suitable for you, this is the video for you. Starting with the oh so popular Meter Plus. This is technically their second generation, not the original, which was a crowdfunded product. So this is an entirely self-contained essential probe system, okay? So this will link directly into your phone via Bluetooth. Okay, we have one sensor in the main probe. We also have an ambient sensor in the back of the probe. Plug it straight into the meat. It'll tell you the temperature around the meat as well as what you're cooking. The app is pretty smart as well. It does try and predict your done time. It does help you with your cooking process as well by telling you what temps you're sort of aiming for. From there, we progress onto the Meter Pro. Now, this does have a couple of superiorities to the Meter Plus. Namely, it's almost entirely stainless steel with the exception of a little ceramic band just to allow the signal out. Why is that a good thing? It means the probe is entirely submergible. You chuck it in your sink, it's not going to crack it with you, but more importantly, it can be completely submerged in a deep fryer. This also means that it can cope with a higher temperature than the Meter Plus. Some really good improvements on the original. It also has 5 sensors in the main part of the meat probe. So this will tell you from the outermost part all the way through to the center or the tip of the probe. Additional to that, it obviously still has its ambient probe. So it gives you quite a wide range to work on when you're trying to predict and work out how your meat's cooking. Unfortunately, the Meter Plus is not submergible, so if you ever need to clean it, you do just need to wipe it down. Never chuck it in the sink, it will not like you. It also can't quite cope with the higher temperatures that the Meter Pro can, so you always need to be mindful of flare up when using a spit or a grill. You can run the risk of damaging it. Otherwise, ovens and low and slow stuff, it excels. Now, with both the Meter Plus and the Meter Pro, you do have the option for a block variant. So these are a 4 probe setup. They also come with the bonus of running on Wi-Fi. Now, as much as these have good Bluetooth extenders on them, there's still a limit to what Bluetooth can do. It's all line of sight stuff. So when you start using some heavy gauge steel smokers and ceramic cookers, it does limit that range. So Wi-Fi becomes your best friend. A little extra bonus with the Pro, they've recently released a Duo version, also Wi-Fi. If I'd known this was coming, I would have bought it myself. I've just got one at the moment, trying to convince the wife to let me to buy that.